Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. Today is part 7 of what duties does an executor have? What are the principal roles of an executor? So today is the last part. I'll wrap it all up. I'd identified previously that there were 15 principal responsibilities, tasks associated with being an executor. So each day I'm giving a few. Today I'm going to wrap it up. So I already said that identifying the assets but what I didn't do, so you have to protect the assets. You need to do an inventory. You need to do an appraisal of the assets, right? So that's really, I'm going to lump that in as a task. Another thing that an executor has to do is, I've mentioned it, identify valid debts, but you have to negotiate and pay them off. You have to prepare a final tax return for the estate. Generally, I'm going to count this as number 14, wrap up the affairs. Right? So that's all of the loose ends, all of the things. So for example, if a person has a home, what would we do with that home? Well, there's furnishings in there. There's cleanup. There's heirs to distribute to, right? That's one task. Really, it's a multi-layered task. And then distributing the remaining property to the beneficiaries inside the will. Now, if a piece of property has to be sold, there's some tasks associated with that. If things have to be retitled, there's certain tasks associated with that function. But by and large, in the 7 days, I've mentioned the tasks, the duties, the obligations that I've identified. Your best bet is to get an attorney to assist you with the probate process, and they can shepherd you through that process, beginning to end. Part of my, education, this marketing, right? This is marketing material in a way. It's education-based. I'm helping you. You could do it on your own. But if you are going to seek out an attorney, I'm hoping that that attorney and that office will be the law office of Frank Bruno. If you need any help along the way, and there are plenty of people that just call me for advice, they call me for information, and I willingly, freely give that information and that advice. So test me out. Send me a question, and I will give you a hand. See you tomorrow.